Welcome back to my channel. Here we go. These are the hoses, my radiator hoses that I will be installing onto my B20 VTEC. There goes another sticker, Racing Performance Muscle. Comes with the clamps. These are the clamps. Spent like 55, 60 bucks for these hoses. Woo! But other than that, these are all the hoses. I'll show you what they look like. There's a radiator hose right there. I'm not sure if that's a radiator hose. I just took a guess. None of the damn radiator hose. Radiator hoses are the big ones. These are really nice. G+. They're blue on the inside. But yeah, other than that, this one came in a package. I don't know which one is that one, but it'll get figured out. Small little one. Black nice one right there. It's very nice stitching, so it should hold a lot of pressure and a lot of heat. You know what I mean? Oh, I'm getting comfortable with the camera. Getting comfortable. See? Very nice. Other than that, I can show you the part number. Let's show you the part number just in case you want to purchase. You can look that up. Other than that, it's 60 bucks. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna show you another piece coming right up, and yeah.